In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a specific country using Cloudflare. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's security, manage traffic, or prevent unwanted access from certain regions, Cloudflare provides a straightforward way to do this through its firewall rules. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply these settings to your domain efficiently. So, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your main control center for managing all of your domains and Cloudflare settings. If you're not already logged in, head to Cloudflare's website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Next, select the domain you want to manage. Simply click on the domain name from the list. This will take you to that domain-specific dashboard, where you can access all the configuration options for it. Once you're in the domain's dashboard, navigate to the security section. This is the area where you can manage various security features for your website, such as protection against malicious traffic, bot management, and of course firewall settings. Within the security section, look for the Web Application Firewall or WAF. This is where you'll create the firewall rules that control how your website handles incoming traffic. Click on this option to proceed. After you're in the Web Application Firewall area, you'll need to click on the Firewall Rules option. This is where you can view, edit, and create rules that determine how requests to your site are treated. If you haven't created any rules before, this page might be empty for now. Now, it's time to create a new rule. Click on the Create a Firewall Rule button. This will open up a form where you can define the specifics of your rule. The first thing you'll need to do here is name your rule. Choose a name that makes it easy for you to identify what the rule does at a glance. For example, if you're blocking traffic from China, you could name the rule Block China. A clear name is especially useful if you manage multiple rules for your domain. Next, move to the section labeled When Incoming Requests Match. This is where you'll define the conditions that need to be met for the rule to apply. Start by selecting Country as the field. This tells Cloudflare that the rule will be based on the country from which the incoming request originates. Now, you need to choose an operator. If your goal is to block specific countries, select ISIN. On the other hand, if you want to block all countries except for a few selected ones, choose ISNOTIN. For most cases, ISIN is the option you'll use. Once you've chosen your operator, it's time to enter the country codes. These are short two-letter codes that represent each country. For example, CN stands for China and RU stands for Russia. Simply type the codes for the countries you want to block into the value field. You can add as many country codes as needed. After setting the conditions, scroll down to the Then section. This is where you define what happens to requests that meet the criteria you've just set. Select Block as the action. This ensures that any request coming from the specified countries will be denied access to your website. Finally, deploy the rule to apply it to your domain. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with the setup, save and activate the rule. Cloudflare will now enforce this rule for your website, effectively blocking traffic from the specified countries. And that's it. You've successfully created a firewall rule in Cloudflare to block a specific country. If you ever need to make changes, you can always revisit the Firewall Rules section to edit or disable the rule. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.